wire motors. They cannot be resoldered. It's sparking and whatnot, like right near where like it threads in at. So got a new motor. You know, simple upgrade and whatnot. Also just up the charging port a little bit. So we got some charging ports here. I'm not sure which connector it's going to be, so I got two just to save myself some headache. And a crap load of Allen keys, Allen bits that we got to get down there. So I'm gonna get to doing that by hand. When I got it open, I'll bring you guys back when I get to the connector for this here and the connector for that. This will be a simple install, simple swap, because this is sparking pretty bad. It's pretty bad, and don't want to burn the freaking scooter down. I got it free, so this is a simple. I got this on Temu for like 60 bucks. These on Temu for like $2 a piece. So like, what? Now we're in it for like 70 bucks. So it's really not too much, honestly. So let's get to it. All right, so boom, pulled out the motor wires. So we got some little burning and corrosion on here. And on the new wires, it doesn't come with a connector. So this is not super glue, hot glued in. So I'm gonna have to pull this out and make sure these are in the right pin order, and install that junk back in here. Then still trying to get to this. This thing is real tight in there. But other than that, so much fun, yeah. All right, boom, so we back. Pulled off this front cover and this bottom plate down here. Access to the controller and the battery and all of the wires. So I'm glad I bought two of the connectors, because as we see, this one is the T-plug, and not like how the motor has with multiple of these. So it's good to see, but I just gotta take off this retaining nut that's inside of it, which I don't know if you guys can see that. It might be a bit difficult, but it's a retaining nut in there. So we're gonna take that off, attend to that, and then we're gonna pull this out. Whoever was the smart engineer to put their retaining nut in the inside, fuck you, because that was not fun to get out. Good thing this one has threads on the outside, so I could put it on top instead, because that's annoying. But anyways, got the motor all switched over in the rotor and everything. I'm most likely going to use some black wire tape on that, and I use the connector and just go from there, because your boy's tired. But let's see. All right, boom, so we got the new motor in with everything swapped over, all the lines ran and all of that. Got the new charging port in, and I'm about to put some electrical tape on this. I made sure it works, turns on and all that. So got it all back together, and it works. Do a little real quick. Not the best view, but it works, yes. No faults or nothing, so we all good. And funny, just as I put everything back together, look what I found in a box. An empty connector to put the little things in. Anyways, I already did it. I already taped it up. Not taking it apart. I just gotta zip tie this together right here, and we'll be all good. And that's the last thing. Other than that, that's the Kugoo M4 motor swap and charger port fix. So all good. Kaboom.